mo na yung food mo kasi booking in na
Ayun nga pala.
Booking in na.
May tali ka sa'yo?
Yeah, pero mo. Anything for you.
Uy, thank you, ganda.
So lovely.
Lovely ka, ayo.
Lovely ka, ayo. Saan kayo pumunta?
Oh my God. Sabi nila, siya ba yung nagturo sa'yo mag-commute? Tignan mo, kilala ka nila.
Baka si Miss Laura, the shoutout floor.
Siya yun. Sa Zalora.
Ano pong kinuwento mo?
Kinento ko na ikaw yung unang kumausap sa akin sa Zalora.
Ay, ano yan? Nag-miss mo
Oh, diba? Ay, galing yan sa admin. Sabi mo, hi, admin.
Hi, admin.
Right. Uy, did you see the billboard? Kahit alam ko namang nakita mo na.
Ako?
Oo.
Yes! Yes, pero not in person yet.
Yeah.
So,
Do you wanna see?
Of course.
1 week yun eh, dito. Maybe we can go there tomorrow night. Kahit daan lang after ng show.
Yes.
Ay! What time you flight you tomorrow?
December 1.
So, after pa ng show? Okay. Maybe you can pass by there tomorrow after the show.
Abangers kami.
Yeah. Uy, ang daming ano.
Ay, what's that?
Try a good Thai massage tonight. Get ready. Yeah, I want. Because I'm so tired. I need a massage. Tomorrow, yung hair and makeup ko 10. Gusto nyo ba? Mauna na kayo. At least may mauna na.
Tapos, yeah, I have to meet here.
Yeah.
Para I can help sila dyan.
Tsaka yung hair and makeup ng models, gusto ko bawat isang person may specific na hair. Massage here. Is there like an extracurricular activity?
Kami dun. Ay, Mia. Uy, kilala mo pa yung singer mo? Huwag na.
Kakainin.
Hala, nilaps, Nino.
Hindi nila. Niligpit. Yung singer mo, madam, niligpit na.
Oo, yung ano nun.
Siya yung pero may isa pang singer dun eh.
Na hindi pa bukas.
napindot. Ha? So may extra singer. Yan na lang sa'yo. Because I'm keeping the green curry.
Okay lang sa akin kung mapamigay. At least makakain ni Sarah.
Kinuha ng staff. Yung ano. Diba yung isang singer na may BB singer. Pero may isa pang singer. Okay. May isa pa.
Si Zinger Marie.
Find the Thai massage place here at Yeah, we will.
Sunduin niyo naman kami dito.
Walang mahal. Dancy, pero makulit.
Oh. Benta mo dito, dali. Period.
Pamain, si Miss Jancy hindi pwede.
Ito lang. Yan lang ang pwedeng mamayin.
Ay, charot, wag. Rate my outfit. Rate my outfit, sabihin 5.
Natakot ma-hurt. Natakot ma-hurt.
Ayoko, papalitan mo na itong styles. Lovely ka, Ayo.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Charlotte po, priceless.
But why can't I be mine daw?
Huh?
Why can't I... Sabi mo kasi, you cannot.
She's already mined!
Mind daw, mind.
Meron akong soft lunch pick kay Jan. Kasi niya po release ko kumakanta si Jancy ng dance.
Dad! Oh.
I have words with you. Pwede na na. Let's book again.
Ano. Be out of stock. Tinignan na nila agad kung ano yung suot mo.
Saan?
Nakap. Out of stock daw.
Suot ng out of stock, please.
Akin na lang ito, Madam Jan.
Sige.
Kaya out of stock.
Naka-live eh.
Out of stock.
Pag hindi naka-live,
Hindi naka-live, babalik.
ano yan, 790. Sorry.
Sa.
Just kidding, naka.
790 baht.
So cool. How about me? Guys, me then, rate my outfit.
Ang ganda, unreleased. Pistachio. Rare colorway. Rare colorway. Custom made.
You know what? I'm addicted to socks. Yo. I love socks. I will buy more clothes from you. No, it's okay. I can send you. Excited na ako kumain. Ay, tinatanong niya kung may plus size daw.
Jasmine is Malaysian. She's asking if there's
Hi!
Yeah, do you guys like produce for plus size?
Not yet, but we're planning to release a collection next year.
By when?
Hopefully by the first quarter. Okay.
I was obsessed with the outfit.
Really?
Yeah, so I can't stop looking at it.
How about me? Can you stop?
Oh, I love looking at you.
the burgundy one.
How about me? Can you look at me?
But like our sizes are fit like oversized and stuff. So
Yeah.
a nice range of sizes.
I'll look at the measurements then.
Yeah.
Probably I'll find something.
Here.
Thank you.
And I think burgundy would look so nice on you.
I know, it's my color. I did like a color analysis and it's my color, so I'm like, thank you so much.
Sure.
I did. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
We'll see you around.
You like it perfect. I'll find something.
Oh. Yeah, okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay.
Pinalo.
Thank you. Try mo din kayo. Pero sabay tayo.
Daddy's home. Ay, binata.
Maganda yung sa akin. Try na. Balme. Yung
Kamusta?
Ganda siya. Sobrang ganda ng silhouette tsaka fabric.
Well,
Very dancing pieces.
really?
So you must ako isang watermakers na pants doon.
Talaga?
Na
Ano siya? Parang
pang isuot sa...
men's version ng ng gentlewoman.
Hindi. Para siyang error.
Really?
Pero mas streetwear. Hindi
Is it like a new brand?
Hindi ko lang sure.
Thai brand ba?
Oo. Ganda ng shape. Pati yung polo.
Have fun tomorrow. Can't wait to see.
Sabay natin.
Oh, thank you. Why are you so nice? Uy, naka.
Overshare. Kasama kayo dito sa conversation na.
Yeah. But they're English, so they cannot understand.
Why? You must learn to speak Filipino
Yeah.
and understand Filipino.
They're talking about our models. Ayan. They're talking about our models. They said, ano yung sabi nila? What are they saying?
I'm not sure.
Main patingin. What's the photo?
Show us.
Oh!
Show us!
Show.
This is
Ay, may outfit na yan. Ay, yung face lang, face.
Cover the bottom. Zoom it in. See? Back.
Can I see? Ah, siya yung trip nyo?
Ni JP.
Ako ko.
Kilala
Ako
ko yung
wala.
trip ni Jan.
Sino? So, wala kaya. Ha?
She was distracted by one person.
Ano?
No. Si Wawa.
Wait lang, imamute ko muna.
No.
Hindi ah! Uy, hindi ah! Hala! Uy, wala. Issue.
Basta naka-leopard. Naka-leopard na fonts. Bugbugin yan.
Itsura talaga siya. Oo. Pagtingin ko sa kanyang ganun, ay, di ba magkakasama na sila dito na naiiwan siya. Ang gwapo pa naman niya. Wala akong bet. Uy. Uy, hindi. Naghubad dito eh, no?
Tapos yung isip niya biglang pero gano'n.
Oo. Pero ano, professional lang ako. Ako, nandito lang ako. Ganun.
Very fine yung the muscles. Ay, iba nga pala.
Ay, may magandang isaw. Ayun eh. Oh, hindi tayo magpapakita ng ano dito. Baka ma-vlog. Ay, ma-ban.
Kaya narinig mo bigla sa MTRCB.
Ay, ang ganda ni ate oh. Bawal i-zoom. Ayun. So pretty. Pag yan tumingin B, ibig sabihin,
Ano?
akin siya. Charot. Pag yan tumingin, hindi tumingin.
10 a.m. call time ng designer daw.
Huh?
Paano yung makeup artist?
Seryoso?
Dito mo na lang papunta.
Pero saan ka pupwesto? Ay,
Ha?
ay, gagi, tumingin. Uy, tumingin na siya. Naku, tumingin. Wala ko. Wait.